wish you all a very happy new year. This is Chilbel. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. Since this is the first video of 2017, it's got to be special. So what's special about this video? Keep on watching the video till the end where I will announce a big giveaway. In today's video, I'll be talking about the newly launched Oriflame Giordani Gold range of products.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give.
Giordani Gold is a premium range of makeup products from Oriflame, and they have been around for a while now, but recently they have revamped and relaunched their products. Some of the Mumbai bloggers, including me, were invited in the launch event which was graced by the beautiful Sonali Bendre, and it was a very fun event. And there they launched or relaunched their Giordani Gold range of products, makeup products. So they have come up with few products that had been there before, and they have introduced some new products which I'll be showing you today. Oriflame Giordani Gold right now covers face makeup products, eye makeup products, and lipstick as well. I'll be telling you what are the products they have come up with. The first product that they have come up with is the Giordani Gold CC Cream, SPF 35. So this is the outer packaging. This is how the entire range of Giordani Gold product is packaged in the black and gold combination. It looks classic. It looks very chic. And inside you will get this CC cream. These come in two colors, one is medium and one is light. So I'm using the one medium. CC cream is very lightweight. It's sheer to medium coverage. Does not feel like you're wearing anything on the face. It's so light. It's like a skincare, and it's very moisturizing. It gives a beautiful glow and it brightens up your complexion. It's a very good product. I really like it. But I would have preferred if they would have come up with, few more shade versions, maybe for duskier skin tones. So yeah, this is the CC cream. The next products that they have come up with are the bronzing pearls. Now Oriflame Giordani Gold bronzing pearls are really famous. They are the most popular product from the Giordani Gold range. They have been there for a long time, and there are three shade options. And I have got two. One is the dark bronze. It's completely brown. I don't know if you are able to see or not, but this is the one. It gives a beautiful, bright, luminous effect on the skin. It looks picture perfect. Another variety is Natural Radiance, which is again another of my favorite. It has some bronze as well as pink pearls inside. These products are really good. Another version is there. I forgot the name, but I'll put the put all the names, the price and everything in the description box below, and also where you can buy the products. I'll put everything in the description box. Please go ahead and check if you want to buy. The third product, these products were launched in November, but in December they had come up with another addition, and that is the Giordani Gold Sheer Powder. This is the one, and it has two shades. One is light and one is medium. I'm using the medium one, and I really like the product. I have reviewed it on the blog last month, so I'll put the link in the description box. I really like the product. It looks very natural on the face. It gives a very soft look on the face. The fourth product, which is also my favorite, are the eyeshadow quads that they have come up. And this is how it looks. The outer package is again black and gold. And inside the quad looks like this. When you open the product, there is a compact mirror. There is a plastic film to separate the mirror from the product, and these are the colors. And there is an applicator. Yes, this is the one. These comes in 3 shades. This is the smoky grey, and other 2 are the wine brown and radiant plum. And I think this is one of the most pigmented eyeshadows that I have ever come across. This looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I love the shades. Now the final and the last product that they have come up with are the Giordani Gold Iconic Lipstick. So these come in, I think, 8 shades, out of which I have got 3 shades. Today I'm wearing the Fuchsia Divine, which is a bright, of course the name suggests, it's a fuchsia color. And the other 2 shades that I have are the red Fatal, and I think Muted Plum, which is a beautiful shade. I love that Muted Plum. The lipsticks are creamy, they're moisturizing, and they last for a good couple of hours. I applied the lipstick. After that I had taken my food. I did not reapply any coat, and this is how it looks now. So it's been like 5 hours since I am wearing this lipstick. Still it's there, it's not faded completely, and it shows, yes, it has dried up a bit. Maybe it's not that moisturizing as it was when I applied it on my lips. So yes, this is about the lipstick. I really like the quality of the lipsticks. So these are all the products from Oriflame Giordani Gold range, what they have come up till now. They've also got a perfume. Let me know if you want a review of the perfume as well. Maybe I'll do that on my blog if you're interested. Put in the comment section below if you want to see a review of that also. And if you want to see any of the product reviews, please let me know which is the one you want to see. I have already reviewed the sheer powder on my blog. I'll put the link. And other than that, whatever you want to see, please let me know. So yes, this was all about Oriflame's Giordani Gold range, what they have launched till now. I'm sure they're going to introduce a lot of products next. Now coming back to the special thing, the special giveaway that I'm coming up with. We are going to give away a hamper with products from Oriflame Giordani Gold range. So the worth of the hamper will be more than 3,000 rupees, so you can well imagine how nice the hamper is going to be.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna.
The rules of the giveaway I'll put in the description box, but still I'm going to tell you what are the rules. You have to be a subscriber of my YouTube channel. You have to like the video, and you have to follow me and Oriflame India on all social media platforms. I'll be putting all the links, all my channel of my links. I'll be putting all the links in the description box below. Please go ahead and follow the rules properly. Unless and until you clear all the rules, you'll not be eligible to receive the hamper. This hamper is for one lucky winner, and that winner has to be a resident of India. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.